Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Fly More Combo Plus with RC2 is an impressive entry into the world of consumer drones, offering exceptional features that cater to both novice and experienced pilots. Right out of the box, the package feels premium, with the drone itself showcasing a sleek and compact design that emphasizes portability without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its advanced camera system. Equipped with a 1-inch sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and delivers breathtaking 48MP still images. The low-light performance is remarkable, allowing users to shoot in challenging lighting conditions with minimal noise. The addition of intelligent shooting modes, such as FocusTrack and Mastershots, empowers users to create cinematic quality footage effortlessly. The drone's ability to track subjects while maintaining stability in the air is particularly impressive, making it an excellent choice for action shots or capturing dynamic scenes. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 5 Pro excels. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes and an impressive range, users can explore expansive areas without worrying about battery life. The upgraded OcuSync 3.0 transmission technology ensures a stable connection for real-time video streaming, enhancing the overall flying experience. The drone also features advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, providing an added layer of safety, especially for those still mastering their flying skills. The RC2 remote controller is a significant upgrade, featuring a built-in screen that improves visibility in bright conditions, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The intuitive controls make it easy to navigate, and the customizable buttons allow for quick access to frequently used functions. In terms of value, the Fly More Combo Plus package provides ample accessories, including extra batteries, propellers, and a convenient carrying case. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Fly More Combo Plus with RC2 represents an outstanding balance of performance, quality, and usability, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography game.